Today news is all about Pakistan, where former Prime Minister Imran Khan has been arrested by rangers from outside the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad High Court. Imran Khan, who has ousted leader a year ago, Khan is facing dozens of charges including corruption and terrorism. The situation of Pakistan is critical and the protesters from all around the country has come out to block all the roads of different cities. Now the situation of Pakistan is going to be critical because of the Imran Khan's arrests. And now people has come out to the roads from different cities of Pakistan and want to release Imran Khan from jail.